I could hear the sound of something. Oh, a house lizard? Do they eat their own eggs? Let's find out. House lizards, commonly geckos, don't typically eat or break their own eggs. In fact, they usually find a safe hidden spot to lay their eggs and leave them undisturbed. But there are a few exceptions where egg destruction might happen. First, accidental damage. Eggs might get broken simply by accident, especially in tight or unsafe spaces. Second, stress or disturbance. If a lizard feels threatened or the environment is too stressful, it might abandon the eggs or even damage them unintentionally. Third, other lizards or animals. Sometimes other lizards or even predators like ants can find and eat the eggs. And lastly, cannibalism. Yes, in rare cases, adult lizards, not necessarily the parents, might eat eggs, especially if food is scarce. But under normal conditions, house lizards don't deliberately eat or destroy their own eggs. Now, here's something interesting. Why do house lizards sometimes eat the eggshells? Some species of lizards may actually eat the eggshells after the babies hatch. Why? A few reasons. Nutrient recycling. Eggshells are rich in calcium, which is vital for bones and for future eggshell formation. Cleanup behavior. By removing the eggshells, they reduce the chances of attracting predators. Clever, right? Now, here's another common question. Do house lizards break open unhatched eggs to check them? Nope. They don't usually break or inspect their eggs. In fact, reptiles in general lay their eggs and then leave them alone. If an egg doesn't hatch, it's likely because it was infertile or the embryo didn't survive. The mother won't try to intervene. However, just a side note, in captivity, some reptiles have been observed poking or disturbing bad eggs, but that's rare, and it's not something typical for house geckos.